Ever felt like your customer interactions are scattered across a million different places? Emails here, spreadsheets there, and sticky notes clinging precariously to your monitor? You're not alone. Keeping track of leads, deals, and customer relationships can be a nightmare, especially for growing businesses. That's where a customer relationship management system, or CRM, comes in. A CRM is like a digital filing cabinet for your customers, centralizing all their information and interactions in one place. But what if you could ditch the extra software and manage your customers directly within your existing project management tool? That's the question we're tackling today. Does ClickUp have CRM capabilities? The answer might surprise you. ClickUp, more than just tasks. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool beloved for its flexibility and customization. We all know it can handle tasks, deadlines, and team collaboration like a champ. But what if I told you ClickUp could be your secret CRM weapon as well? Sure, ClickUp doesn't have a dedicated CRM module like some other platforms. But here's the beauty. ClickUp's core functionality can be adapted to create a surprisingly robust CRM system. It all boils down to smart utilization of features and a bit of creativity. Building your ClickUp CRM, lists, statuses, and custom fields. The foundation of your ClickUp CRM lies in lists. These are essentially buckets where you organize your information. Here's how ClickUp lists can translate to CRM concepts. Leads list. Capture incoming inquiries, website form submissions, or potential customer information. Contacts list. Store detailed profiles for existing customers and key contacts within companies. Deals list. This is your sales pipeline, where you track opportunities as they move through different stages like prospecting, proposal sent, and closed one. Now, how do you visualize progress within these lists? ClickUp statuses come into play. Each list can have customizable statuses that reflect the different stages a lead, contact, or deal goes through. For your deals list, this could be new inquiry, needs follow-up, demo scheduled, and so on. But wait, there's more. ClickUp's custom fields are the real game changers. These allow you to add specific information relevant to your customer interactions. Think things like industry, budget range, or decision maker name. These custom fields can then be displayed in list views, giving you a clear picture of your customer base. The power of ClickUp views. ClickUp views are like magic filters for your lists. Imagine a dashboard specifically tailored to your CRM needs. You can create a Kanban board view for your deals list, visualizing the pipeline stages and easily dragging deals between them. Need a quick overview of all leads assigned to you? Set up a list view displaying relevant custom fields like lead source and next action. ClickUp empowers you to create custom views that perfectly suit your workflow. Automating your ClickUp CRM. ClickUp's automation features are another secret weapon. Imagine automatically assigning a team member to a new lead or sending a follow-up email when a deal reaches a specific stage. ClickUp lets you set up automations based on triggers and actions, saving you tons of time and ensuring consistent customer communication. So, does ClickUp truly replace a dedicated CRM? It depends on your needs. For smaller businesses or those with straightforward sales processes, ClickUp's adaptable features can create a surprisingly powerful CRM solution. However, complex sales cycles with numerous stages and integrations with external tools might require a more specialized CRM platform. The beauty of ClickUp is its flexibility. You can start simple and gradually add complexity as your business grows. Plus, eliminating the need for another software subscription can be a significant cost saver. Ultimately, the best CRM is the one you'll use consistently. If ClickUp is already your project management hub, there's a good chance it can effectively manage your customer relationships as well. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.